In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-direct incoming Yahoo email to specific folders. By the end, you'll have your inbox organizing itself so important messages land exactly where you want them, without any extra clicks. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account on a desktop browser. Filters are easiest to set up and manage from the desktop interface, and that's where the options you need live. Before creating a filter, make sure the target folder already exists. In the left sidebar, hover over Folders, click the plus sign for New Folder, give it a clear name you'll recognize later, and save it. Creating the folder first ensures it shows up as a destination when you build your filter. Next, look to the top right of Yahoo Mail and click the Settings gear. At the bottom of the panel, choose More Settings. In the menu on the left, select Filters. This is the control center for all your rules that automatically sort incoming messages. Click Add New Filters. Start by giving your filter a descriptive name so you can identify it at a glance. Now set the criteria that determine which emails the filter will catch. You can match on the From field to target a specific sender or domain, use to CC for messages addressed to a particular address or alias, choose Subject to catch emails with a certain phrase, or use Body to look for keywords inside the message. The Contains condition is often the most flexible. It doesn't require an exact match and is great for consistent phrases like a company name or a project tag. Keep your condition specific enough to avoid pulling in unrelated emails, and double-check spellings to prevent misses. With the condition set, choose the action. Select Move to a specific folder, open the drop-down, and pick the folder you prepared earlier. Click Save to lock in your filter. From now on, any incoming email that matches your criteria will automatically route to that folder, skipping the inbox and keeping things tidy without you lifting a finger. A couple of quick tips to help: filters apply to new messages going forward, so existing emails won't move automatically. You can drag those manually if needed. If messages aren't landing where you expect, revisit your filter to refine the keywords or verify the selected folder, then save again. That's it. You've created a clean, automated path for your Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.